Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Today I'm excited to show you the dry results from my previous video. Yes, it was the guitar, and I want you to see how beautiful this turned out. I am super happy with this. So here she is. Take a look at her. I'm gonna bring her closer so you can see. Look at this. Gorgeous. Check her out. Beautiful. Tell me what you let me put it back here. Tell me what you think about this. It makes a great gift for that special someone. Especially now for Valentine's. You can actually put their name on it. You can put a song for a couple. You can do so much. Tell me what you think about this. Look at this. Look at the shine as I go like this. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. If you're interested in this piece, don't forget you can email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com, and I will top coat this and send it out to you if you're interested in this. My back is still taped up because I have to resin the piece, so it is a gorgeous gift idea. I'm gonna put this away. We're gonna get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so if you remember this painting from one of my previous videos, I love this painting, but it has been sitting here for a while, so I am thinking I need to repurpose this and do something a little different. So I'm thinking I'm going to be doing something like what I did with the moon, or the different outside blow. I am using this round just to section off the center. So I think that is about right. Let me see. Okay, maybe a little more this way. Okay, so there. And what I'm going to do is I am going to, with a permanent marker from Arteza, I'm just drawing my circle around it so I know what that area is. So this is what's going to be in the center, and I'm okay with that design. I think this is going to turn around and look wonderful. The color I'm going to be using on the outside is going to be Oxide Black by Amsterdam. So let me shake this bottle, my squeeze bottle, and I'm going to outline. Now, I don't want to go too close because I want to have room. I don't want the paint to go in it, in the circle. So kind of go around. So on this one, I'm going to do a little differently. I'm going to layer the pearl colors down before it dries. So this one's a little different than the first one that I did. And my colors are gonna be the pearl colors. So I have Pearl Blue by Amsterdam, Pearl Yellow by Amsterdam, Pearl Cream by Arteza. And I'm going to start with the Pearl Blue. I'm torching out the air bubbles. Okay. So I'm starting with the Pearl Blue. And I am going to go, because it's small, from here down, from here up. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. Now I have Pearl Yellow, and I am gonna wiggle this one on, so like this. Okay, and here. Just like that. And now Pearl Cream. Okay. We're gonna torch this out. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, ladies and gentlemen, but we're doing it anyway. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead. I'm thinking I'm gonna begin on this side. I absolutely love this. I am gonna bring you in for a close-up. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is gorgeous. I love it. Tell me what you think about this one. Of course, the center is done. I am going to go in once it dries and just make the circle pop. But look at the sides that I added. Look at the clusters of cells. You could see the color popping through as you come down. Once it's dry, I will show you. Look how gorgeous that is. I love how I blew it out. I kind of united these two ends here, and then it fans out over here. Again, beautiful lacing, beautiful cells. I can't wait to see how this dries once I finish it off with the paintbrush. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me if you like these transformations of old paintings, like I would call it that, and if you like what you see.